Can group fitness classes replace strength training?
Group fitness classes are a popular way to stay active and have fun. But do these classes offer the same benefits as traditional strength training? Let's explore what group workouts provide and whether they truly meet all your strength training needs.
What do group classes offer?
Many group fitness classes, such as boot camps, circuit training, and HIIT, include some elements of resistance or bodyweight exercises. These classes can improve cardiovascular health, build endurance, and offer moderate muscle toning, especially for beginners or those returning to exercise.
The role of progressive overload in strength.
Traditional strength training relies on progressively increasing resistance to build muscle and strength. Many group fitness classes use lighter weights and higher repetitions, which may not provide enough challenge to consistently strengthen muscles, especially for intermediate and advanced exercisers.
When group classes might not be enough,
if your goal is to significantly increase muscle strength, size, or power, group classes alone may fall short. Without heavy resistance and individualized progression, you may reach a plateau. People aiming to maximize strength gains should supplement classes with dedicated weight training sessions.
balancing group fitness and strength training.
Group fitness can be a fun and motivating part of your workout routine, great for general health and moderate muscle tone. For complete strength development, consider combining group classes with regular sessions of progressive resistance training tailored to your fitness level and goals.